Hi, I'm Bob Loeffler with Fearless Agent Coaching and Training. Just wanted to give you a quick tip on appointment setting. What separates the great agents from the not so great agents is the ability to get to go. Once you've prospected and somebody says, yes, I am thinking about selling my house, then you have to have this uninterrupted, pause-free, awkward pause-free thing that gets you to the appointment. So say, you know what, here's what I'd like to do. I'd like to find a time when I could come over, take a look at your house. I like to meet with people in the afternoons or the evenings. Are you 9 to 5 people? And they're going to go, no. Great, I've got 2:30 available on Thursday, or would next Monday be better? And then set it that way, okay? Otherwise, if you can meet with people any time of any day, that awkward pause is built into the conversation. You go, oh, well, let's see, let's look at our calendars. That won't work. They will always fill that with, Bob, is it Bob? Listen, Bob, we'd like to wait a couple of months, and then you don't get to go. So the secret is getting to go. Don't have that awkward pause. Always schedule them at either 2:30 in the afternoon or 7 p.m. at night. Hope that helps your cause. And by the way, if we can ever help you at fearlessagent.com, give me a call. You can email to me. You can, if you want to have a complimentary coaching call, we'd love to do that. You can go to one of our free teleseminars, fearlessagent.com. Let us help you become a fearless agent. Thanks.